going straight to the program. I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. If you happen to join this live, please like the video, okay? Like the video. So please, guys, just hit like button, okay? It's very, very important you do so. We are going to spend few minutes, or maybe we can stretch it to an hour. So let's see how this one will go. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case was adjourned till next month, 19th and 20th of next month. So we saw how he was defending himself. So guys, like as I was saying, we saw how the court case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went, and we saw him defending himself in the courtroom. And some people were not happy. Some people were questioning about why is he defending himself, where is the lawyers and all that. We need to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a novice. He knows what he's doing, and he have the opportunity to express himself. And mind you, lawyers have tried their best to make sure that they present the issue before the whole world, even to the judge, Binta Yako, I think that is her name. I was told that she's supposed to go retirement, but because of this court case, they bring her back. Maybe she's good at detaining people illegally, or maybe she's good at managing any client that is, because this, to me, Mazi Kanu is a client. They just want to milk and suck money out of him. They don't have any case against him. They don't have any proof whatsoever. And he, just like he likely said in that video, that when he was addressing the judge, he made mention that courts have the Nigerian government don't have any right to try him. Considering the condition they use, the method they use to bring him back, and the allegation they're putting on him that he jumped bail, which he did not, and he approved beyond every reasonable doubt that he did not jump bail. I see you, Thomas. That's your name. I see you. Thank you so much. You are watching from my location. I see you. That's nice. That's nice of you. Please like the video. How are you today? You are the first commentator on this live broadcast. Let me see if we can start, going through what we are here for. All right. It is very important we do so. We have seen what he said actually in the court, and I'm going to play it now for you to understand, just for record purpose for this video. Just hear this.
What their law says. Any court of law in that's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes. It's very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump in. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that the trial entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct the trial is not done anywhere in the world. I have in my case. Nobody has, there's no exception. No exception whatsoever. That's what the law says. Section 12 of the Constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You understand? Not with me. I believe in justice and fairness. That's all.
Okay, we are not going to waste much time on this issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because we have done program on that. But for record purpose, let's listen to the second one. Pay attention before we move to what we are here for.
So that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I said earlier, there is a petition of bail of the court taking into consideration to all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha state. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump there. These criminals came to my house to kill me. This is the own God. So I cannot understand, my lord, why trial will be conducted contrary to the position of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. It's there. This is the law of Nigeria.
Okay, that is when he was addressing the judge one-on-one. He stood on the court. He stood inside the court and, defend himself. He did not, he was not panicking. You can hear his voice. He don't need to ask anybody to defend him in this one, because they will give you opportunity to defend yourself. Maybe they ask him, do you have something to say or something like that? So it does not mean that his lawyer are not doing that job. But I've seen some posts from people from the other camp using that to do a kind of mockery and all that, but that is not why I'm here. So as he was having the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu course was going on, Ijele, the one that decided to fight everybody. He insulted Igbo people. He insulted the pastors, reverend, name it. He did not leave any stone unturned. The worst part of it is his comment on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and PM. The insult was much until he met his match, which is Ebuka and Zion Ministry, right? I wanted to say Lion Ministry, Zion Ministry. So they are the one behind. They are behind his arrest. They are the one that supervised that. And after they arrest him, other people joined immediately. You understand? To share their grievances and all that, which we are also going to look into in this live broadcast. So one thing that pushed me to bring him this Ijele's topic in this live broadcast is because of Sowore. Okay, Sowore, and let me see. Sorry about that. This is not what I wanted to share. Let me look for that Sowore's comment. Okay, now just bear with me. Let me share this with us. Okay, what you are seeing here, let's read let me go through the posts of Sowore. Emeka Chibo, I see you. Greetings to you. At the Federal High Court in Ikoyi, Lagos today, to witness the arrangement of Chizoromo Harrison of Ebu, also known as Ijele Speaks, for cybercrime allegedly against one evangelist Ebuka. Okay, in recent times, I have never seen such an ingenious gang up against the rights of a single individual such as this. The very 50 congested, stingy, and unsafe courtroom of Justice Aloko at the premises of Federal High Court Ikoyi, Lagos was jam-packed. with lawyers who came to participate in a watch brief capacity. There were not less than 20. Ijele Speak was represented by Femi Falane San, and when police were arranged him where to arrange him, they suddenly withdraw their old charges and read some ridiculous charges relating to cyber crime against this so-called man of God. It was cringe-worthy to hear the laughable and useless charges. I sat there wondering why the judge would entertain such charges, let alone send Ijele Speak to a correctional center for another week so that he could hear a bail application after rejecting Falane's oral bail application, where he said to the just in clear language that a bail application needed not to be written per court of appeal, ruling on the matter in FRN versus MKO Abiola. The judge said since the prosecutor has started the allegation, he must give them time to counter a bail application in written. It was just a sad and terrible sight. Revolution now. All this I'm reading here is what Sowore, published. He posted it. The issue is, why is it that Sowore don't care to understand the pain and the atrocities of this so-called guy, what he have done in the past, what he said about the people of Igbo, what he said against some individual, including Apostle Suleiman, many other people. What's the name of this Jeremiah or Motofefe, or I think it's Motofefe or something like that. You know who I'm talking about? The pastor from Niger Delta, from Delta, not Niger Delta, from Warri. He have said a lot of nonsense against the man. Not only him, the mockery of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even though for many Igbos. Some people that were not even taking interest on his social media rant begin to take interest after he mocked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and do you know that he went to court to give false witness against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Not that he have done that already. Where is Sowore all this while? And why is he now acting as if he cares for Ijele Speak? Why? Ijele Speak don't have done a lot of damage than good. And people like somebody like Sowore shouldn't just stoop too low to entertain such kind of thing, to allow himself to be, to be seen with this kind of person. His character, Ijele Speak character is a no-no. One thing that unites Igbo people today is his arrest. Whether you are supporting Biafra, whether you are in one Nigerianist, whether you are a traditionalist, whether you are a Christian, whatever you are, as long as you are Southeasterner, you are happy with arrest of this guy. That is why nobody talk about him, nobody care, nobody go for him, nobody is ready to contribute a farthing because he messed up. Nobody is proud of him, and Sowore should understand it. You don't fight a nation, Igbo nation, and expect everybody to be quiet. Then I see you, Sonny, I see you. Thank you guys for your comments. We are here this late hour to do, should I say a recap, just to conclude what happened, in the day. So, Sowore is not. He will not say that he don't know what is going on. I believe he does. And it's not as if they're tampering on his human right, like you likely said in this post, that they're coming after his human right and all that, his freedom. I don't think so. They did not arrest Ijele on time, to be honest with you. They did not arrest him on time. They allowed him for a very long time, and people were thinking that this guy have a serious contact. Now, just let's watch. Now, watch this again. Watch it again. Let me take it back. Pay attention. You will hear where Sowore is telling, because he says, "Sir, oh yeah, now." Sowore reply him, don't worry, they don't fail, they don't fail." You understand? They don't fail, Ijele says, "Sir, oh yeah, now." He said, he replied to him, "They don't fail, they don't fail." They're kind of giving him a hope. But my concern is this: I'm not against you, Sowore, going after, speaking for voiceless, or just to fighting for somebody that don't have, so anyone that don't have anybody to fight for him. But in the case of Ijele actually commits something that he deserves even a harder punishment. I hope you understand. Do you know that Ijele threatened the life of people, many people? Ijele actually, lay false allegation on many people, even including his own villagers, and they were pied by Nigerian security force for no just reason. A lot of atrocities have been committed by this guy. And I don't know why some people, those people that support, that are Ebuka fan and all that. I watched a video of one is it Jetpack Ogwayon. He said in his recent video that Zion Ministry, Ebuka ministry, have dropped their charges and they are no longer holding Ijele. Surprise, surprise. This video that you are watching here, the lawyers of Zion Ministry are there, according to Sowore. Because if you follow what he posts, what I just read, you understand that he actually was talking about Ebuka. He mentioned it, not even that he's not as if he's talking about him indirectly. So it's a direct statement, and he mentioned Ebuka there and the ministry and the man of God and all that.
To enforce, they are watching brief to enforce fundamental human rights foundation. They're here to enforce violation of fundamental human rights. Taxi lawyers to violate human rights.
This is the lawyer, the Falana that he's talking about. He was talking about. Look at him. So that is it. And let's play another one. Just a moment. So what you are watching now is Ijele himself. Look at him in the court. And this is somebody that Sowore is campaigning for his release and his freedom and all that. But he never paid attention. Sowore never paid attention to the atrocities of this very man against the entire Igbo race. Why is it that some people derive joy when things goes against Igbos? They seem to support it, back it up, throw their wealth on that to prove a point. This guy here is an Igbo man, but a stupid one for that matter, a useless person. Look at him, this guy, Ijele. Ijele messed up. Look at him. He said all manner of nonsense against IPOB, against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, against Amonekpa, against even the Igbo youth, BLA, Biafra resistance fighters, ESN. Then, of course, he keep on telling that he make sure they buy them. I buy you, I buy you. Look at him. And that is somebody that you want to, listen to. And some people say that he fainted, but I don't know that he fainted almost, I think, 3 times in the prison and all that. But I don't take it serious because it could be a rumor. Because some people can cook up any story to make it, sound good, isn't it? So I don't buy the idea that he fainted. That there was a time he fainted, all that. And some say that he begged and asked for forgiveness. And some say that he's now leading prayer, morning prayer in the prison. All manner of things, all manner of information is people are reacting and responding to him, considering all the nonsense that he have done in the past. Because I don't blame anybody that is against him. I, for one, I don't like Ijele after listening to all the nonsense that he said against Igbo people. Anything that is good for Igbo, he attacked it. Everything that Igbo people complain about, he embraced it. This guy, when Igbos were kind of complaining, or should I say complaining, or exchanging word with Asare Dokubo, when Asare Dokubo said that he will buy them, he chase them away and do all this nonsense there. You remember when he made a video with live ammunition, what's it called, Asare Dokubo? This guy sneaks his way out. I know he bribed his way to even to see Asare, just to make a video and to tell Igbo people that you guys are useless, I am the one. So there's a lot of things that if you start counting on Ijele's attitude or actions, we may not end this live video. And like I said, the only thing, no matter how I feel about Ebuka and his ministry, I have respect for what he have done to make sure that he called Ijele to order. Whoever that is responsible to his arrest, kudos to you. You've done well. You have done a very massive, a very great work, a very good one for that matter, and we appreciate it. Great thing as a guy. That is Chine MC. I see you, my sister. Thank you so much. We are watching Ijele's court case, powered by Sowore, who want to be the Messiah for a enemy of our people. He wants to stand, and tomorrow he will start making comments. Some of us are very, very gullible, to be honest. We have this kind of emotion that whenever you insult us 7 times, just say nice things about us, we throw all the insult away and hug you. That is our people. And that's why people are, taking us for granted. For Sowore to make this move, is a no-no for me. A no-no for me. That's why in the title I said love at first sight of Sowore need to stop. He need to stop. He need to stop that love at first sight, because he has nothing to do with Ijele. You don't know him. Probably you have not even listened to what he said or what they have done in the past, and you are here. Who invite Falana? Of course, is Sowore, and he thought that all these Igbo lawyers, or probably Biafran lawyers, people from Biafran extraction that is serving as a lawyer in Nigeria, maybe Sowore think that look at both of them. Sowore think that by bringing Falana to defend Ijele, we scare other lawyers away. Like he said that they were making meaningless and very weak allegation or charges against Ijele. But immediately they saw Falana. Look at Ijele here. Immediately they saw Falana, they throw many charges away. He can see that he was bragging about it. But one thing you don't understand, Sowore, is you're actually creating awareness for Igbo people to know who you are. I don't blame Falana, because he's a lawyer. Anybody that pay you can you can go with that person. But this your love at first sight with Ijele simply means that you are actually supporting evil. You're actually supporting evil. There's no way you will ignore everything Ijele have done in the past against Igbo people. Against Igbo people. No, this is not about Ebuka, it's about our people. Somebody who have said publicly that some of us believe in Biafra, some of us believe in one Nigeria, some of us believe that we that are believe in Biafra, that we are stupid. Some of us believe that those who believe in Nigerian are foolish, right? Then what did Ijele believe on? Ijele believed that the Igbo man shouldn't even speak, that we don't deserve to exist, that we should, that I will buy you, that he have this one, he have that one. And you coming out to defend Ijele is simply just like you defending Shikau when he was alive. That's what it means. You don't have any reason, any moral right to defend somebody like, unless if you are ignorant of what you have done and what you have said in the past, then you need to recall, you need to go back to do some homework. This guy need to, not only in Krikri, he need to be, what is the highest prison in Nigeria? They need to throw him there. Let him be there for at least 6 years, at least 6 good years, to recall his senses. So next time, he will know what his what it means to insult or to threaten the life of people and the existence of others. If you don't, we must not love everybody. So for the fact that you don't like me does not mean that you need to go after my life, or that I don't like you, that I have the best way to show that I don't like you is coming after your life. It doesn't make any sense. Somebody like Sowore, who is claiming that he wants to revolution now. So this is the kind of revolution that we want to bring, by undermining the hope of Igbo people and our rights. That he is an Igbo person that is insulting everything that comes from Igbo land, and you are using your platform to call for his release. Release on what? Why are you releasing him? Somebody who said that that if police want to arrest him, that he will buy many people. He will do this one, he will do this, he will do that. Now you are pushing. Where is that actually the about that he went to snap picture with? Actually couldn't even comment on his case. And you already decided to be the hitman to defend undefendable. Let's see, because I was also told that Apostle Justice Suleiman is waiting as well to jump in to arrest Ijele, to rearrest him. Many people are waiting. I was also told that Onitsha people are also contributing, because Sowore is complaining that there's a lot of lawyers, not fewer than 20. In the write-up, in the video he said 30. In the write-up he said 20 lawyers. Ebuka did not buy all these lawyers. People that have offended have their own lawyer waiting for him with their own case file. And unfortunately for Ijele that you are defending, 95% of the insults and the threats, he made all of them in live video, and people have downloaded all those videos and waiting for a day like this. So even if you delete it, you are not going to solve the issue. Yes, maybe as a Oduduwa man, as a Yoruba person, you may have a way to control the court case and maneuver your way. Of course, maybe that's what you want to use now. But judging by the rights of people, and although what am I saying? It's not the same court that couldn't even release someone that they have. The DSS are still controlling the court decision. So that answer the whole thing, because we cannot pretend that you have justice. It depends on how many people you know, your contact, your connection. That is the cause, bailout in Nigeria. So, like I said, I don't blame this man at all. I don't blame him for defending the for. My blame goes to this one, Sowore. He is the one that I blame a lot, because you don't know what you're asking for. Emeniga said 6 years is not enough. Oh, see, any reasonable Igbo man understand what it means. The sound is very low. What sound are you talking about? It means what I'm saying. No, I paused the volume. I paused the volume. But you can hear my voice, isn't it? My voice is okay, but the sound of this people, is not. There's no sound. I intentionally off the sound. They are just, it's just background noise. That's what you'll be hearing. There's nothing to hear from that. The other one, okay, let me see. Let me play the one that you may hear what they're saying. I'm not sure if that one is loud enough, but let's see. So Ijele speak, or Ijele, whatever he call himself, deserve. And one more thing, just please watch this courtroom. Nigeria, to be honest with you, that country can never ever change. In this, look at courtroom. Look at courtroom. I don't know where to. Unbelievable. Look at courtroom. You see the space. Look like this place looks like a hall for child immunization. You know, when we are little, when we are still baby, you know, as a child, if you are going to take immunization, this look like say the one we have in my village. It looks like the hall that we have in my village. Just little something, very congested. Look at the size of the court. In 21st century. And funny enough, this is called High Court. This is called High Court. Not magistrate court, High Court. Very, very, very funny. So my people, I just want, let me see if you can go through some of the comments of people. Let me see what people are saying about Sowore and his effort. Maybe Biafrans will reason like me. Let me see. Femi Falana should have other serious things to do. Ijele case is not worth his attention. But Sowore forced him to go there. Sowore need to. I don't want to tag him that he's the enemy of Igbo people. But if you continue this way, man, I have to. If I don't vote Ijele Sowore and campaign vigorously for him in the southeast, let me know the reason why. This is another person. Maybe Ijele cousin is throwing support to Sowore. Another person said Ijele should remain there. God fighting our enemies with our enemies. Exactly. This one maybe is an enemy of you see Ebuka as your enemy. Diana said Nigerian corrupt system have no value. Sowore is just trying to create talks for himself. I don't know his aim, because if Ijele is not a talk, Ijele is just like so because sometimes talk behave differently from what we know a gangster. You know, what I mean by gangster, I'm talking about those ones that drive joy in courtism. You understand? Like people that will hit you and run. But sometimes talks don't run, because they are there to guide you. So Sowore is, should I say, he's trying to seek relevance, because he flew from US to Nigeria just to attend this nonsense. Just imagine. Or maybe he think that doing what he's doing now, his Igbo people will say, "Oh, you love our brother. Oh, you love." That means you don't follow his case. You don't follow his case. And Falana is making his money as a lawyer, of course. Who wouldn't want to defend any case that you, as long as you know that it will not affect your pedigree, you can come out and defend. And this is not case between the state. This is a case between an individual. Ijele is a sadist. That's from our brother Armstrong. Ikovo said, I think you are This one could be from maybe you are commenting from Iran. Don't mind me. No need to blackmail the judge in these circumstances. High Court does not entertain oral bail application unless the persecutor is not opposed to it. The application should have been formal. Because for another thing that is in Lagos, the court is in Lagos and Sowore is there. So these are heavyweights in their own capacity, isn't it? So they would believe that once they go there, they can just use oral statement to convince the court to free Ijele just like that. Do you know people behind Ijele's case? And who told you that after you release him that he will not get another arrest because he have offended many people? What he did to Ebuka, he have done it to Jerry Omotofemi. I need to pronounce the man's name very well. I don't know how to pronounce it. This Mercy Ministry in Delta State, the founder, he have done that. He printed a very big banner against that man in the past, and see see his head. Take mic and tell me why you won't vote this man. He's still talking about this. This one is from Odudua. The same Ijele speak who always insult my MNK before now. He said that he's the one that put MNK there, that he will buy there. The video is trending. So we saw those things, and you jump out to defend. I don't know who's rapping the witch that you are smoking, to be honest. If you know, I thought you say you have intels, you have Sahara reporters, that journalists that give you information. So they couldn't even play, to inform you about the atrocities of Ijele speak. Somebody that talk without minding how you feel. They like. I was told that he said to the judge before that he was doing all those things because of hunger. He don't have a job. And I will not doubt it, because the day they kidnapped him, one of the things that people were kind of, one of the worry that comes up that time was a woman that sells fufu in the Ijele streets, and Ijele picked some wrap of fufu from the woman, and Ijele told the woman that in the evening time I will return the money for you. Let me go to police station. Police they send the invitation to him. He believed that he would just go there and he will come back as Odogu. So once he come back, he'll make another video. So when he went there, then they locked him up, and that is the end. So the woman was, shouting and asking people help. How can she get her 200 fufu, back? And people, no Igbo man agreed to pay fufu that Ijele eats. Which simply means that Ijele were kind of having some financial challenges, and he was doing all those things to get view, generate traffic on his page to make money, and he don't realize that some of those things that he was doing would land him to where he is today, and that is why it's a lesson for anybody to learn. If you want, you can learn from that. So we are not going to read more comments on that. Let's move to another thing. Biafran self-referendum in the homeland is changing gear. Every day we are seeing video pumping out, video that PM shared, a lot of them, a lot. And the one we are, let me see if we have
reject the evil contraption called Nigeria.
Okay, let's listen to this one.
Biafrans have gathered again today to exercise our civil rights through voting, referendum voting. We are here to reject the evil contraption called Nigeria. We are here to tell them that we are not part of the marriage again. Biafrans are voting massively here, as you can see. The referendum is going on here, and people have gathered in the masses to vote, to exercise their civil rights, to vote through this ongoing referendum. And Biafrans are here. We are here to reject Nigerian totally. We are here to reject that evil contraction called Nigeria. We are saying no more to anything that has to do with the zoo again. We are saying bye-bye to anything that has to do with the zoo. 2nd December is the date.
So guys, like I said, the video you are watching, this video is all about Biafran self-referendum in homeland, in Biafran land. So it will surprise you that this video is not what anyone can doubt. Until this day, none of the DOS members have come out to say, "Oh, it's a fake video." No, it's a. But if anybody, maybe somehow somebody come out tomorrow and said that that he will not vote, there's no voting going on in referendum land, that they are lying. If any video surface tomorrow, I'm just giving you an example. Guess what? That video will go viral on their pages. They will jump on it. Oh, you see, the autopilot has been busted. They bust them. But now that you can see live video, okay, anybody can confirm it from homeland. People are queuing. People are taking taking their rights, doing the needful. They will not share it. Gives and Co. All of them will not talk about it now. You understand? They will not talk about it. Instead, they are busy looking for what location, what local government is this, what community. Let's see if we can go there and buy some of them. They will blame PM. That is why the cameraman is videoing it the way you are seeing now. You don't see people's face. You don't see their body structure. You don't see the environment. You focus on what is happening. That's all, for security reasons. So that you get why. And it's a very good to watch. Very, very nice thing to see. Unlike people who claim that they know everything, they want everything and all that. But when it comes, for you to prove it, you'll be nowhere to be found. They have also said that they are not looking for Biafra. Instead, they are creating an awareness. You ask them, this awareness that you are creating will last for how long? When is it going to end? It doesn't matter. Just know that we are, creating awareness. Let's listen. The volume is down. The volume is down. You can see the queue. Guys, if you have not liked this video, you are not doing me any favor. Please like the video. Like the video. If you don't know how to like it, please, maybe if you're not seeing the like option, like some of you do complain, there's a 3 dots at top corner of your right hand side on your screen. On your screen, just look at top of your screen, just right hand corner. Then you will see 3 dots there. Tap it, then you see option to where you can like the video. Please like the video so that it will get to other people to watch. We have no choice than to bring it the way it is. Diana said, have you seen him talking about Sowore in MNK court in Abuja, making noise that he was deported from Turkey because of MNK? Ijele is a mad dog. Okay, now we are talking about Ijele, not Sowore. Ijele speak. Ijele have should I say, I don't know if he's suffering from depression, because he said he's Ijele, but he don't behave like Ijele. He behave like a cook. A cook is just all those village dog, village dog that doesn't eat well, that go after poo, children poo and all that. He don't know what he wants. You were deported from Turkey. Has something to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What did you do in Turkey that warrant people to even think of deporting you? Something more. I don't know. I don't know how they get the document there in Turkey. But whatever that it may be, yes, I saw during that time that they were having issue in talking. There was a time Ikenga was live, making call, talking about, discussing on how to deport him, and eventually it happened. But why is it that he focused on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu more than anything? Emenike said, you are not smiling, sir. You want me to smile for what? Your vote is we dey do the show. Yes, our vote is we dey do the show. Exactly. That's the question. So Ijele is a laughing stock, to be honest with you. He messed up full time. Let me allow the video to play. Maybe you will hear the voice better now. I think so. I don't know.
By voting for all this ongoing referendum, 2024. You can see what they are saying. They are taking Nigeria bye-bye. For it. They were doing the needful. Oh. I'll go bye-bye to the city. You can see that the line is famous. The evil entity is gone. Nigeria is gone and gone for good.
Bros, let me ask you one question. What are you doing yourself?
Voting my
Referendum. So you want to leave Nigeria? You want to leave Nigeria?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Wait, the cameraman.
So you want to leave Nigeria?
Let me see.
You want to leave Nigeria?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now let me because when they are showing you this some of this video, you will not understand when PM said that the queue is very long and all that. Some people don't understand it. Just watch. From here, you see my hands? It's from here, inside here. Look at it. Look at the queue, look at the queue, look at the queue, look at the queue. And it's still going. This is somebody here, somebody is here. As you can see, the camera couldn't even capture all of them. That is to tell you that truly people are out voting massively. And why is it that DOS are not talking about it? Instead, they are telling you, no, there's nothing like a referendum. Anybody telling you referendum is a scam. So it's no longer that DSS are coming to buy you. Umoko. Biafrans are ready to go. The only problem is that just forget about the few that have a wide mouth that are making noise, acting as if we don't know what we want. Everybody want to go. Everybody. And I believe that this thing will yield good fruit. I believe. And hopefully, plan that PM have will come to fulfillment. Like DOS, like Master Prophet, these two individuals are self-centered. They want to remain in Biafra where they will become relevant. Some of them don't want Biafra to come now, not because they don't know the importance of Biafra when it comes, but they want to remain more relevant. They want to enjoy lives more by telling you what you say that. So once they come out to talk, you will pay attention. Once they command you to sit at home, you sit. Once they command you to come out, you come. But they are not telling you something that even if you obey it, it will yield good fruit. Unlike what you are saying now. And for Master Prophet, in one of that video that we played, he was like telling people that you cannot achieve anything without shedding blood and all that. Who told you that we focus on shedding blood? No, it's not about blood. Nobody would like violence. We don't support violence. We don't support evil. We don't support anything that will cause problem or chaos. But there are some things in life. There are some things that will happen to you in life that is inevitable, and otherwise you remain stagnant. Just like somebody who have appendix, all of us do. But if your own appendix begin to develop problem, you're going to have issue. What do? You have to go for operation to cut it off so that you'll be free. So you cannot just because of the pains that you undergo through that operation for you to be free from appendix pain, you say, okay, let me just be like who I am. No need to stress. I don't want you already receiving pain, constant pain, which is symptom of the appendix. But if you want to be free from that, you have to go through surgery, okay, through operation. And that is another pain. But that pain is a pain that will give you free from pain. You understand what I'm saying? And mind you, if you don't do it in the case of appendix, if there's a stage you get to, it can buy that person. So for you to avoid not only pain, but being bite suddenly or being taken unaware, you have to do that surgery. So what I'm trying to say is that you cannot just use because people will lose their life if you ask for your freedom and you ignore freedom. People are already buying when you are not looking for freedom. So, which means, in other words, people are losing their life because you don't ask for your freedom. So it is better you ask for your freedom so that people will not lose their life. If you see it that way, if you perceive it that way, that will make sense. It will make more sense, and it will be good for all. It will be good for all. So I just thank God for the work of Biafran government in exile, the work of Biafran Prime Minister, and his cabinet.
And whether Bola Tinubu likes it or not, he has to succeed. I know, however, that it is easier to.
Sorry, I cannot play this one. There's a song. I am sorry about it, and I don't mean to, but I don't have copy. I don't have a license to the song, and I don't want anything to happen to the platform YouTube. I'm sorry if you capture the voice, the sound. It was not intentional. Please pardon me on that. So, guys, we are not going to waste much of your time. Okay, we are not going to waste much of your time. We are going to call it a day. We are almost at the end of this live broadcast. Let me see.
We have suffered. Onye ndu bịago efuko picture Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gwukwana ọka we have suffered. Onye ndu bịago efuko picture Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gwukwana ọka dunka. Onye ndu na obele nwa dịka ma fọnụ mata na white. Obele nwa dịka na fọnụ mata na white. This is me now. Onye ndu ọbụla ọkọpenti ka nta ọgwụ echiche na kedu ife anyị eme to clear ourselves from this name calling. Nobody believes us. Onye ndu, all the prominent people in our place, they have disassociated themselves from us because we do fasten na ime egwu mmadụ. Onye ndu ogiwa Daniel Simon said it can be you now. It can be you. You will not say this and do this. Only this is not you now. Answer the question and save us from this shame. Save us, Nifel and Ebesen. I can't even be bold enough to challenge our challengers. I can't even be bold enough to challenge those who are challenging.
Funny question. Very, very funny question.
mega here. Nano, our leaders. Nano, the young people are Katalanka. Taho. Mandi poor from Whipple, keep on one for the pressure is too much. You will save us from the shame. Save us.
Oh my goodness.
Save us from this shame.
Okay, guys, we are going to end it here. Thank you so much for your time. We will be back again tomorrow. Emelike, I see you. Thank you so much for your comments and your time. Wesen, I thank you, and Chineye MC, God bless you. Diana, of course, I thank you. I thank all of you that are busy on comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those of you that have managed to hit the like button. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. See you again. We're going to be live again tomorrow. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my backup channel, Kyle Report Clip. Kyle Report Clip News. Kyle Report Clip News. And also follow us, subscribe on this channel as well. Have a wonderful night. Sleep well. See you again tomorrow. Be happy. Bye-bye for now.